Hello viewers, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix Instagram could not open photo. Please try again in a moment error problem in iPhone. So let's see the step. For fixing this problem, first of all go to App Store and then tap on search app. Now search Instagram. Search for Instagram. From here update your Instagram apps in latest version. Just tap on update. Now wait for completing update process. After completing update process, now go to settings, scroll down, go to apps option. Now find Instagram from the app list. Now tap on Instagram. Now tap on photos option. Now allow full access. Again tap on allow full access. Now go back. Now enable local network, microphone and camera option. Just enable all this option. Now go back to main settings. Now go to general option. Now go to iPhone storage option. Now find Instagram from the app list. Tap on Instagram. Now upload Instagram. Tap on upload app. Now reinstall Instagram apps. After completing the reinstall process, now restart your phone. Normally restart your phone. After completing this process, hopefully your problem will be solved successfully. If you are still facing the issue, then uninstall Instagram apps and reinstall again. Hopefully this method will fix your problem.